It says, and the Lord turned the captivity of Job. The same God, yesterday, today, and forever. If he turned the captivity of Job, who was in a helpless situation, if he can turn that captivity around for his good, yours is today, in the mighty name of Jesus. If you can believe for this, God is going to turn your captivity around today in the mighty name of Jesus. No matter what the enemy thinks is doing in your life, God is going to turn it around for your good. The same God that turned the captivity of Job is still your God, and is going to turn your captivity in the mighty name of Jesus.